see this? I literally wrote a script for this video, but no matter what I do, I legit can't start this video. So I'm just gonna cut to the damn chase. You're gonna get $100 for free, absolutely free. There's no bull. There's no catch. There's no fees for it. All you literally have to do is just click on the link below underneath the description of this video, and that's it. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because I also get $100. Do you know how many times it has taken me to just say those simple things? I'm literally at like my 50th take. I bought this ring light just so I can make this video. I've been talking about how I should make this video. Just click on the link below. That's all you have to do. If you don't believe me, go on Chime and just make your own account. You might get the $100, you might not. I don't know. Don't blame me. Don't blame me that you didn't get your $100 just because I sent you to Chime. That's it. You know, if you don't believe me. Like I said, I'm only making this video so I can get the $100. And guess what? I'm limited. I'm limited to only referring 10 people. After $1,000, Chime is not going to give me any more money. The link still works. The link still enables you to create the account, and then you still get the $100, but I don't get $100. Legit, I'm only going to get $1,000. That's it. That's it. That's the main reason why I'm making this video. Download the app, click the link, you get $100. If you deposit $200, you're not putting your own $200 in. You're not putting in your own $200. It has to come from your employer. It has to come from somewhere you work. Even unemployment work, even financial aid works. Anything that shows that you got $200 or more, they'll give you $100 extra. In fact, you know what I did for this video? I literally signed up for Uber. I signed up for Uber right here. I'm gonna take a screenshot. I'm gonna take a screen recording of it right now. So this is right after I created my Chime account, and they give you a routing number and an account number that you can connect directly with Uber, or you can sign up into Uber directly using the Chime app. This is the earnings that I said that I was gonna do it in under a week. Boom, $342.98 for under a week. 8 hours of actual work. $342. Guess what? I've reached the $200 deposit, and this money has been directly deposited. $342.98, the weekly payout, it has been sent to my bank, which is what? Chime. Boom, Uber USA, and then it shows the $342.98, and then guess what? It's the $100 referral thing, and I got $100. My brother referred me to this Chime account, and look at that. Here's proof. Boom. Video is done. Go ahead and download it. You're welcome. And if you don't do it, that's totally fine. But I highly suggest for people who are barely starting out, they need a debit card, or guess what? This app even also lets you do a credit builder. So they even give you a credit card. In fact, to date, hold on, give me a second. In fact, to date, I got my Chime card. Boom. Look at that. I got the Chime card, and in the back it shows you the details, but I can't show you the details because, you know, all that crap. And yeah, there it is. Cool. And I got it really fast. No problem. And I know it says my account, I have $519, but it's because I was working for Uber Eats and I got another deposit. But yeah, that's how you do it. Boom, video done. All jokes aside, I want to thank everyone who watched my video this far, and I want to thank everybody who actually ended up doing this. But man, that'd be cool if this actually worked. Literally, this is the only reason why I wanted to make this video, so I can use that money to make more future videos, because dang, do we live in a tough time right now. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, you know what to do.